What's going on, guys? So, we're gonna be talking about the truck again. Last video I made was on the fuel pump, turning in the fuel screw. But this time we get a different issue. So, would have been Tuesday. I was taking off the truck to go to a buddy's house, and I got past the gas station at the end of our road, and then got on it and started missing. So I really wasn't sure what was wrong with it, but Dad got to looking at it, and it seems like it's in the wiring. So where my wire from the Fass runs to the fuse box, like it's not making good connection, because when I put it in, I didn't have an add a fuse. I have one for the alternator, so that one runs there. And then we kind of crimped, this is the wire for the Fass, and it's crimped into the one for the alternator to the other 10 amp fuse. So I went to the parts store and bought another one last night. So I'm gonna have to wire that up to that, stick it into one of these. So the alternator runs into the radio. I'm not sure what other one I can use. Probably gonna have to talk to Dad about it and see which one, but I'll show you what's going on here. It idles fine and it starts fine. Any throttle, not really any throttle, but probably about that 1500 RPM range. It has a little miss, but when Dad was messing with the wire the other night, he messed with it, and then he was running the throttle and it didn't miss at all, and he did that a couple times. And then I took it out last night just to kind of see what it would do, and I got to the end of the driveway, turned out on the road, it ran fine for a little bit, and then started misfiring again. I got a whole box of parts, but we got the add a fuse. So and I may not do this right now. I'll probably wait till Dad can help me. But we know the Fass is running at whenever it idles. The only thing we figure is that the vibrations rattle that wire loose. It should be warmed up. I'll run it up here and then. It's not doing anything. I have no idea. So that's not anything like it was doing yesterday or the last few days. I have no idea. I may jump in it and take it down the road here and then see what's happening. But I was going to show you guys that today, but no issue, which is good. But so I guess I may be back. I might come back to this video. So thanks for watching. There may be more added on. So may see you guys later. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in the truck and take it up the road because it seems to do it whenever I want to drive. So maybe it'll do it this time. This is like 10 minutes later from the first section of the video. And that leak is a brake booster. It was running fine till a little ways, like probably a quarter of a mile away from the house, and then it started cutting out. But the only thing I can think of, if it was this wire, the power wire to the pump, would be the bumps on the driveway, or I guess on the road here. But usually, yeah, right there, does this. I can't exactly figure out what it is. So about all I can do is idle it, because it doesn't do it at idle. You just start missing. Pretty bad. Yesterday I made it, I was probably about a mile, see, and then going up a hill now, so any kind of throttle was just awful. Hoping it's just the wire, but I've heard one of my buddies said it could slip timing because one of his trucks did the same thing, but not 100% sure, or could be something in the pump, but hopefully it's just the wire cutting out or not making great connection. So, but it'll run for a little bit just fine, and then you gotta idle it back. Does not sound good at all. So that's kind of that's what we're dealing with, and hopefully I can figure it out here within the next couple of days. But adding that antifuse will be the first thing I try, and then after that I'm not really sure where to go from there, because I've never had this issue. So that gives you an idea of what's going on, and I'll give you any updates that we have, or that I have with the truck. But thanks for watching, and if you think you have any suggestions, just leave it in the comments and I can check it out. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, just subscribe, like the content. See you in the next one.